Uber Eats gift card. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use your Uber Eats code online. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing first, you can also do this in your application or via a web browser. In my case, I'm using web browser. So at the top search bar, type in ubereats.com and get logged into your specific Uber Eats account. Once done, you will see a page like this. In here, you will see 3-bar icon on your top left-hand side. Tap onto it, then here tap on Wallet at the third option. As you do so, you will get directed onto a page like this. Under Payment Methods, tap on Add Payment Method. Then here select Spend. Then likewise tap on Gift Card and then simply type in the code of your gift card. This being one way, here is another way you can do it. Come back to your home page. Once you do so, you will see a card option. If you don't have anything on your card, then you should add it. And once you tap on the card, tap on View Card. Scroll below here, tap on Checkout. Under Payment, you will see Add Payment Method. Tap onto it. And at this page, simply you will see a gift card option. Tap onto your gift card and type in your code here. Once done, tap Apply. Likewise, if your code is valid, you will be able to redeem it. And that is all for today. Thank you for watching.